Hi guys, I want to show you how I created this, and this wallpaper. So you can see my old wallpaper. Look at my wallpaper on my phone, but open your Canva. Let me show you how to create all of these beautiful wallpapers. So scroll down, you're going to see phone wallpaper. So click on it. When you click on it, it's going to open like this. So what I'll do first is to just scroll up, to check all the templates that are already existing in Canva library. So like this one, so I'll just click on this one, go to crop. So I'll just move it, because it's phone. You know how the phone screen is, it's not that large. So once I crop it, click on done. Then I click on the text. I'll just edit it and write focus mode, or you can still delete it and write nothing, or even change this one if you don't like it. So I'm going to click on this plus button down here to add about 3 more pages, because I'm going to show you how to use your picture, AI, and other means to create wallpaper. So click on the new page, the second page, and your gallery will be highlighted. So I'm just going to choose a picture from my gallery. You sometimes you want to use your own picture to make a wallpaper. So I can double tap it to just move it a bit, or go to crop and crop it. So after doing that, I'll click on text and just add something to it. All these ones are if you want. If you don't want, you can still leave it like that. So I'll just add a text, a little smile won't hurt. Then click on the editing part of the text and edit the text. I'm going to change it to click on format, change it to capital letter and make it bold. Then move it up a bit so that it can be visible. The essence of the text is for people to see it. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to adjust this image. You can see as it's zoomed, you can see how the image looks, you can see the color and everything. So I'll just click on adjust, so that once the text is well placed, I'll click on adjust so that the image can be automatically adjusted. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the text is well placed now. Click on the image, that's the background. So click on adjust as highlighted in the video. When you click on adjust, click on auto adjust. So if you click on auto adjust, you can see the AI and everything will analyze your image. If you don't want, you can click on reset, so that all the things will be reset, or you use your hand to tune it to the way you want. You can see the image has changed. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So let's go to the third one, which is the third page. So click on replace once the foreground or the background is highlighted. Now you can see that I'm going to highlight photos, no longer my gallery. This is for me to get pictures from Canva library. So I'm going to type on the search bar new year, and click on search. So because I want to create something like a new year, background kind of. So that is how the new year 2026 one was created. So you can see a lot of happy new year, fireworks and all. So I'll try these ones here. After trying it and I don't like it, I'll still click on replace to add more, because you can try a lot of things until you find the particular one that you really like. So still go to photos, and choose another one. This one that looks like lights, like lighting up the new year. But I still find that I don't really like it. So I'll still click on replace, go to photos, which is Canva library, and choose another one. So I tried about three, or yeah, before getting the particular one that I really like. So there are a lot of photos from Canva library that you can always try and get what you want. So there are no hard feelings. So this is the one that I really liked. It just caught my attention. So this is it. I'll just move it a bit. You can see the stars, and it's really cool for me. I like it. So I'll just leave it this way and still go back to elements. When I go to elements, I'll type 2026, so that I'm going to add elements to it. Some people can leave it this way, but I don't want to leave it this way. So click on the graphic section to see all the graphics. So this is the one I'm going to select. So when I click on this one, you are going to see how it will look. So you can see that the text is black, but I'm going to change it to a color that will make it visible, so that people will see that there's something written there, because the background is already a dark color. So once that is selected, the text, that's the element, click on this black color, change it to white or to this milk color or any color that you want, but white is okay for me because I just want it to be highlighted. So you see, you can also change the happy new year to white, but I'm going to go to the color wheel and just adjust it to be gold, but a little light, not like the stars and other things on this place. So you can see the first image, second background or wallpaper, whichever one you want to call it, third. So we are also going to create the fourth one. So if this video is making sense to you, why don't you hit the subscribe button, comment which is your favorite. Let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one is going to be AI generated. So click on elements. You can see the background is not selected, so click on elements and type your ideal design, what you want. So I want something like a new year quadrant with suggestions for personal development and all. So once I'm done typing the text, I'm going to click on generate image, so that AI, that's Canva AI, will generate the image for me, so that I can use it for my wallpaper. So I want you to know that even if you don't have ideas, Canva can help you generate ideas. Yes, so click on generate design once you have finished typing your image, your text. That's your prompt as it is rightly called. So you can see thinking, finishing, finalizing, and before you know it, we have about 4 images. So look at them, they are quite colorful and beautiful. So but I'm just going to choose one out of these 4 because I already have 3 earlier wallpapers, so which I'm not really going to use all at the same time, but this tutorial is to help you. So you can see this one, mindfulness and meditation, fitness. So this one is a new year quadrant, skill acquisition and learning, relation building and networking. This is good. I think this is the best out of all the others. So this other one has some words on it, but I think they are French or what, I don't know the language that is. So but aesthetically it looks good, but then the text is not okay for me, so I'll just choose the first one that I had earlier. So that one is okay for me. So you can see the 4 this thing I have. So just click on the download button and they will be saved into your phone. So you will see how I'm going to change my wallpaper using one of these. I'm going to change the wallpaper on my phone to the blue one, the happy new year one. So which one is your best from these wallpapers that we have created? For me, they are all beautiful, they are all fine, they are all lovely. I have a lot of videos like this that will teach you one or two things that you can do with your phone on this YouTube channel. So let's get to my gallery so that we can view these images that we have created. So look at it. This is the fourth one, this is third one, second and first. So the fourth one is the third one is the one I'm going to use to create my phone wallpaper now. So this is what is going to happen. Once it's highlighted, I'll just click on this more button, click on use as wallpaper, click on apply, and they will ask me to choose lock screen or home screen. So I'll just choose home screen, and and it will be applied. You can see settings succeed. I'll just go back. Once I go back, you can see that it has changed. So I'll just delete this stuff that are here, these widgets. I'll just remove it. The app's already on my phone, so no need for them to be up here. I already have the folder that is always active, so I will remove this weather because I don't check weather. Sorry, we don't have winter here, this place is okay. So you can see how beautiful it is once I open my phone. So thank you for watching.